Hey, so here I am with the PlayStation 5 Slim, and first let's take a look quickly on the box. So in the right upper corner we can find the available resolution, that's the 8K, 4K and 120 frames per second, and the HDR. On the right side we can actually find the content that we can actually find in the box. So here we've got our console, disk drive, DualSense wireless controller. We've got also two horizontal stand feet, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, printed materials like user manual and stuff like this, and Astro Play Room. That's the game that is pre-installed on our device. And actually on the left side you can find the storage information. So that's basically it. Right now let's go inside the box. So at the top we can find two stickers, so let's cut them out just like this. So here we've got another box, so let's go inside. At the top we can find the AC cable, that's also the two stands. Right here we can find the HDMI cables, and also there is the USB-C cable. As you can see, that's the double USB-C cable. And right here we've got the game controller. Okay, and here we are with the paperwork. So that's the quick start guide, safety guide, and there is the warranty, just like this. Take it off gently to don't break anything. Okay. And here we are with our game console. So that's how it looks from the one of the side. That's how it looks from the second side. From the front we can actually find the two USB-C inputs. That's also the power button. That's the disk drive. At the bottom we can find another button. No, it's actually not the button, but it looks like the button. And right here on the back we can find the Ethernet cable, the HDMI cable, two USB-A, and the power supply. So yeah, that's basically it. That's quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Slim. If you are looking for any tutorials, tips with this device, for sure you will find dozens of these videos on my YouTube channel. So that's it. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.